Now, this video is for new YouTubers. If you're not a new creator, just skip this video because it is not for you. I am talking to my new YouTubers here. So I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw a video I was interested in, and then I went to the comment section. I told you about the power of comment section. Please, if you're a new creator, try to engage with people on YouTube. Any video you see and you're interested in it, just engage with people on the comment section because it really help you grow as a small channel. So this is what happened. Of the most of the recent videos that I've been creating, I've been having low views, as in extremely low views. I think my third video, the one that I said how fast can I grow my small YouTube channel, that videos I had about 2 views on that video. 2 views. And although I have been working on properly customizing my YouTube channel from the tutorials that bigger creators share here online, but I so on that video I engaged with one of the I saw a person commented and like, let's grow together the right way, and the person somehow visited my channel, and most of the other people as well that I engaged with, they visited my channel. And they say that if you post a video and if viewers are not interested in it and they just like skip without commenting or without even watching for long, YouTube will not even recommend those videos to other people at all. So those people that visited my channel, I think they watched my video, and I think it somehow made YouTube to like push that video more. As I'm talking to you right now, that video has about 20 views. No, yes, 20 views on video I posted about 5 days ago, or maybe 7 days ago. That video now has about 20 views. Just imagine the power of engagement on YouTube. So please, if you're a new creator, do not um don't do the mistake of just watching you on other people's YouTube videos, other videos, and not commenting on it, because that will really help your channel grow. Even if they don't even visit your channel at all, but just that engagement will really grow your YouTube channel. I am talking from experience. I even the recent video that I posted, I have about yes, I have about 17 views on that new video. 17 views. Do you know what that means to me? Like, oh God. Please, as I said, if you are not a new creator, just skip this video. It's not for you, because we that are new creators, we know what that amount of views means to us. We know what it means, because my videos, 20 people watch my video. Oh God, I am so happy. That means I did something while customizing my channel. I think I did something right. Anyways, I will soon share with you all what I did, that aside from the engagement. I will soon share with you all the strategy that I used that gave me that amount of views. And I hope by the grace of God it keeps growing, because I will want to share what I did on my channel, because anything I will share with you that you should go and try is something that I've tried and it's working for me. So, and if you've not subscribed now at this point, why have you not subscribed to my channel? I'm a new creator. Don't you want to encourage me? Please, I'm a new creator. Subscribe to this channel, okay? Because you will want to encourage me. You want to see more of me on this play, because we are not giving up. We small creators, we are not giving up at all. Like, so I don't want to tell you all the power of engagement on YouTube channel. Please, do not do not snooze on this thing. Please, if you watch any video, go to the comment section and engage with people the right way, and trust me, your channel will thank you for it. In fact, your channel will love you for it. And I think my subscriber counts are increasing. I have about 82 subscribers, but honestly, engaging with people on the comment section is really not easy, because after everything, YouTube will come and remove some inactive users, and it will kind of like, the number will kind of like drop. but that one is a no big deal. At least you have the majority of the hard work that you put in on those numbers. So please, 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 please do not snooze on this thing. Try engaging with people, watch videos from beginning to the end, like their posts. Yes, like their post, and always go to the comment section, comment, because most other new creators will also come and connect with you. Okay, so if you like any tip I just shared with you, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, like this video, please engage with people's posts, like their videos and subscribe to them. Okay, watch from beginning to the end if you want to see massive growth on your channel. Do this. Okay, so thank you guys, I love you all.